day, Madam and Sir. My name is Evelyn Bisain. I am 32 years old. I am married. I have two children, one son and one daughter. My son is 13 years old and my daughter is 8 years old. I am a high school graduate. I have 6 siblings, 2 sisters and 4 brothers. My previous work is in Kuwait. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of 2 children, 5 years old and 2 years old. And I do also a household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking some basic Arabic food. Mommy, sir, if you hire me, I consider your family as mine. I continue work not 2 years but long term as long as you like my service. Thank you. God bless.